Welcome to Law Logical, where we unravel the complexities of legal issues. Today, we delve into a pressing concern in India, the rise of fake dowry cases. In the intricate fabric of Indian society, dowry has woven itself as a distressing thread. Traditionally, dowry is a practice where the bride's family gifts valuables, cash or property to the groom's family as part of the wedding ritual. While this might seem like an innocuous custom to some, it has been the root cause of numerous societal ills, leading to laws being enacted to curb this practice. However, like the two faces of a coin, these anti-dowry laws also have a darker side. They have become a tool in the hands of some, leading to a surge in false dowry accusations. These are cases where innocent individuals are wrongly accused of demanding or accepting dowry, often leading to severe legal and social repercussions. Let's look at some examples. Consider the case of Mr. A and Miss B. A few months into their marriage, Miss B filed a dowry harassment case against Mr. A and his family. However, upon investigation, it was revealed that the accusations were baseless, causing unnecessary distress to Mr. A and his family. In another instance, Mr. X was accused of demanding a hefty dowry from Miss Y's family. The court, after a lengthy trial, found discrepancies in Miss Y's statements and the evidence presented. This led to the acquittal of Mr. X, but not before he had to endure a lengthy legal battle, tarnishing his reputation in the process. These are just two examples among many, shedding light on the increasing misuse of anti-dowry laws. It's a troubling trend that needs immediate attention. It is crucial to strike a balance between protecting the rights of those genuinely suffering from dowry-related harassment and preventing the misuse of laws. As we can see, the misuse of laws meant to protect can lead to an entirely different set of problems. Now we traverse the legal landscape of fake dowry cases. In the labyrinth of Indian law, Section 498A of the Indian Penal Code stands tall as a beacon of hope for many. Enacted to shield women from the menace of dowry and marital abuse, it is indeed a potent weapon. But like any powerful tool, it has the potential to be misused. Section 498. A came into effect in the year 1983, addressing the social evil of dowry, where a woman could be subjected to cruelty by her husband or his relatives. The law was designed to act as a deterrent, making the offense non-bailable and non-compoundable. A person found guilty under this section can be imprisoned for up to 3 years and also be liable to pay a fine. However, it is essential to recognize that this very law, intended to protect, can be twisted into a tool of revenge. Instances of misuse for personal vendetta or to settle scores aren't unheard of. The mere allegation can tarnish reputations and cause emotional and social distress. It's a difficult path to tread, balancing the scales of justice. So what happens when a dowry case is proven to be false? Well, the legal consequences can be severe. A false accuser can be charged under Section 182 of the IPC, which deals with false information, with the intention to cause a public servant to use his lawful power to the injury of another person. The punishment can extend to 6 months in prison, or a fine, or both. Moreover, the courts have also started to take a stern view of such false cases. They have begun to award compensatory costs to the accused, and in some cases, even perjury proceedings have been initiated against the complainant. Clearly, the misuse of Section 498A is a double-edged sword, harming not just the falsely accused, but also undermining the credibility of genuine cases. Moving on, let's delve into the implications of these fake dowry cases. The impact of false accusations is far from trivial. It cuts across social, emotional, and economic planes, leaving indelible scars on the accused and their families. Imagine being accused of something you didn't do. The social implications are immense. The accused, often the husband, is instantly painted as the villain, ostracized by his community. His family too suffers this social stigma. They are shamed, isolated, and often driven out of their community, their lives forever marred by a false accusation. On the emotional front, the psychological trauma faced by the accused and their family is profound. The constant fear of arrest, the anxiety of court trials, and the stress of defending oneself against a lie can lead to mental health issues like depression and anxiety. The family structure gets disrupted, relationships strained, and the emotional well-being of everyone involved is compromised. The economic impact is equally damaging. The accused and their family often have to bear heavy legal expenses. Their professional lives are disrupted, and many lose their jobs due to the stigma associated with the accusation. The financial strain can lead to a spiral of debt, pushing families into a state of financial instability. But the implications extend beyond the immediate victims. False dowry cases contribute to the existing stigma around dowry-related laws. They create an atmosphere of skepticism and mistrust, which discourages genuine victims from coming forward. These victims may fear being dismissed as another false case, leading to their reluctance to seek justice. Such misuse of laws meant to protect women not only harms innocent individuals, but also undermines the very purpose of these laws. It inadvertently strengthens the patriarchal structures it seeks to dismantle, making it harder for real victims to fight against dowry harassment. The repercussions of false dowry cases are far-reaching, affecting individuals, families, and the very fabric of our society. As we conclude our exploration of fake dowry cases, let's remember the importance of truth and justice. We've delved into the rise of these cases, the legal aspects involved, and the implications of false accusations. It's imperative to stress that while we must fight against false accusations, we should also stand by the genuine victims of the dowry system. The law is a powerful tool, and using it falsely undermines its sanctity, causing harm to innocent individuals and their families. On the other hand, genuine victims of dowry harassment must be supported and their voices amplified. It's a delicate balance that society needs to maintain. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you found this video informative, please share it widely. Feel free to ask any queries in the comments section below. And remember, your support can make a difference. So encourage others to subscribe to Law Logical. Stay informed, stay logical.